Papa. Ang si Mama. We transferred in their big Bella. My Papa is trying to copy you. It's very hot today. I think it's 12. The time is 12. And we're here enjoying the pool. We're just done swimming. I mean, an hour ago. And we're planning to roam around this place. It's actually a big area. We're in the big villa now. This is different from the other villa from yesterday. And of course, Pumpkin's gonna be with us. Pumpkin! We're going to feed the fish again. This is the rambutan fruit. That's where they got their free fruit. I mean, that's where they got our free fruit yesterday. What? We have another fish fund here that we're trying to feed. Unsa ni tilapia? Another tilapia. Hoy, they have a food. I think the fish are bigger than the one yesterday.
Ladagko na na.
Dalag tilapia.
Dinignaw. Mura ba ka sindi?
Ang daw, hibi. Diretso. Pumpkin, come. A day in my life as a married woman.
Yeah, a spoiled married woman.
Come, Pumpkin, we're just behind you. Wait, they have like a greenhouse.
Yeah.
They have so many limes.
Limes?
Limes, yeah, that one. That's a lime.
Yeah.
Not like a little lemon.
Yeah.
Look up there, like greenhouse.
And the geese?
We only have 3 geese.
3 geese?
I have that, my stuffed toy.
You're a goose.
I'm a goose.
Duck, duck, goose.
Uy, the noise that they're making is weird. Jet, katawag ka nila!
Looks like they're building 2 more villas over there. You're such a monkey. You ongoy.
I was just trying to find it.
Ongoy, Hannah.
I wish we have like this at home. Fruits.
Extreme close up.
No! They're gonna see my ugliness.
Ugliness, imamata.
Let's go back to our room.
Back to our new headquarters.
Pumpkin. Come here, Pumpkin. Oh my god, they have like... Is this a fish pond or no?
It's a koi pond.
Okay. Pumpkin! Be careful, hon.
Come on, you can do it. Come on. Let's go, Pumpkin. Just jump over. One foot at a time. There you go. Very good. She's only 8 months. So pretty much everything is new to her.
May I get you that cooking lunch? Long beans with chicken. Now we're going to add the long beans. Gumagawa ng manok.
Ikaw.
That's it. We will just wait until it's cooked. We're getting ready for dinner. Chicken for our lumpia later. Onion and garlic. Squash. This is for lumpia also. And fish. We're gonna grill this. And we're gonna make this as a soup. Fish tinola.
Hi.
Hello. Someone ran over a frog there.
I saw it earlier.
Ew.
The dried one.
Yeah, it's dried now. grilling some fish.
Grilling some fish.
Yeah, for dinner.
Dinner.
It's our last night here.
Last night at Green Villa.
Yes. She wants to go in. I'm gonna give her some water, huh? So this is our dinner. We have the grilled fish, black rice, and our fish tinola. And of course, lumpia. This is their pole when it's nighttime. It's very nice because it has color. See, it's changing color. That's Jit there. And my mama in the chair. This is our villa. And of course, my doggy. Where's my doggy? Hi, Pumpkin. Yeah, it's dark already. So, Pumpkin's not obvious. Kasi picture na nag-video ko. This is the night view here. It's very nice. It's peaceful. We're in the summit right now. This is my papa's first time in the elevator. Pumpkin! My parents' room because we're still waiting for a room. And this is my papa's first time being in a hotel. And we're with Jet Trip. And my doggy, where's Pumpkin? Oy. Look at our princess right there. I just want to share with you our sweet doggy Pumpkin. She's very adorable, so I can't help myself but to share with you. She's relaxing beside me. She loves to sleep with us because since she was baby, she's used that we're there with her when she's sleeping. She's very sweet, but when she knows that we're going to bed, she would just jump, then go to her house. I really enjoyed this trip with my parents, with my family, my husband, and of course our doggy. I enjoyed my stay in the villa thanks to my husband. Because if it's not because of him, I can't experience these kind of things, especially my parents. So thank you, darling. So we're in the pancake house right now. We're having our breakfast. After this, we're going to go home. We just got home and then 30 minutes ago we watered the plants right away because it's so hot. They look so sad because we did not have the water here. Our helper said there was no water for days here while we were gone. This is our harvest. A lot of chili. This is our harvest. It's so nice to come home with this beautiful chili.